You'll find comprehensive answers to questions about Islam only on DOD screen. It will prove to be a very potent weapon and missile of the righteous, readily setting its own targets. It will fulfill the responsibility of pulpits and arches very well, meeting every need of inviting to religion. The light emanating from its screen will banish the darkness of misguidance. From there, the defense of religion will be carried out under the shade of love for the messenger. Peace and blessings be upon him. This platform, connected to the greats of Islam, will be a cup of love for God and his messenger. Peace and blessings be upon him. This modern era, while embracing knowledge, has also made the environment foul with false ideologies, making it difficult for the righteous to breathe. Advocates of atheism and liberalism shower Islam with their arrows. Rafziyat and Kharijism are seen biting the righteous, and Judaism and Christianity engage in hateful practices against Islam. Bad beliefs, misconduct, the suspension of Islam, and DOD or defense of Deen confronts disbelief, perfuming the environment with the truths of Islam, blooming flowers of good belief, emphasizing love, training, community, Islamic commerce, and character building. O servants of God, O slaves of Mustafa, O lovers of the companions and the Ahl al-Bayt, O devotees of the saints, follow us, share us, and become a part of this mission as you become travelers of this great path. Because this is not just our mission, but yours too.